Hi, welcome to AI EdTech Job Seeker channel. Today we will know through this video how to become a supply chain management officer. What is job responsibilities as a supply chain management officer? So what does a supply chain manager actually do? What are the myriad responsibilities they shoulder every single day? Imagine them as conductors, leading the orchestra to create beautiful music. Each section of the orchestra represents a different part of the supply chain, and the manager ensures they all play in harmony. They plan and manage the entire journey of a product from start to finish. This includes everything from sourcing raw materials to delivering the final product to the customer. They are the architects of the supply chain, designing the most efficient path. This involves meticulous planning and constant adjustments to optimize the flow of goods. They negotiate with suppliers to get the best prices for materials. This requires strong negotiation skills and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Just like a savvy shopper, they hunt for the best deals without compromising quality. They must balance cost with quality to ensure the best outcomes for their company. They oversee the manufacturing process to ensure products are made on time and to the required standard. This involves coordinating with various departments and solving any issues that arise. They are the quality control officers, making sure everything is top-notch. They implement rigorous quality checks to maintain high standards. They manage the storage and transportation of goods, ensuring timely delivery. This involves coordinating with logistics teams and tracking shipments. They are the logistics experts, getting the right products to the right place at the right time. Their role is crucial in ensuring customer satisfaction and maintaining the supply chain's efficiency. A typical day for a supply chain manager is anything but typical. From the moment they step into the office, they are greeted with a whirlwind of tasks and challenges that require their immediate attention. It's a dynamic blend of analyzing data to identify areas for improvement. They dive deep into complex data sets, looking for patterns and trends that can help streamline operations. They are detectives, scrutinizing numbers to find hidden efficiencies and cost savings. Every piece of data is a clue that can lead to significant improvements in the supply chain process. They collaborate with different teams, from procurement and production to sales and marketing. This collaboration ensures that every department is aligned and working towards the same goals. They are master communicators, building bridges between departments to ensure everyone is in sync. Effective communication is key to preventing misunderstandings and ensuring smooth operations. They solve problems and make quick decisions to keep the supply chain running smoothly. Whether it's a sudden shortage of materials or a logistical hiccup, they are always ready to act. They are firefighters, putting out unexpected fires and keeping the operation on track. Their ability to stay calm under pressure is crucial in maintaining the flow of goods and services. They stay updated on industry trends and technologies. By keeping abreast of the latest advancements, they can implement new strategies that enhance efficiency and productivity. They are lifelong learners, always adapting to the ever-evolving world of SCM. Continuous education and training are essential to stay ahead in this fast-paced field. Section 4. The financial rewards of orchestrating the supply chain. Now, let's talk numbers. A career in supply chain management is not just exciting, but also financially rewarding. On average, a supply chain manager can expect a comfortable salary, often starting higher than other entry-level positions. As you gain experience and expertise, your earning potential grows significantly. But the rewards go beyond the paycheck. Many companies offer attractive benefits packages, including health insurance, retirement plans, and performance-based bonuses. Section 5. Why supply chain management rocks? Your future starts now. So, is supply chain management the right career for you? If you thrive in a fast-paced environment, enjoy solving puzzles, and have a knack for organization and logistics, then SCM might be your calling. It's a field brimming with opportunities, especially for young professionals eager to make a real-world impact. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe to Business Sutra for more insightful career advice and tips. Until next time, keep those career aspirations high.